Hello. This is my first game I've ever made with the C Sharp Visual Studios program. It's for my Programming 1 class at Full Sail University. As you can see, there are 26 different words you can guess from, each starting with A all the way to Z, so it's randomized which letter is starting for each word. And when I press start, you'll see that it says this is a game of Hangman. There are 26 different words to guess, each starting with all letters of the alphabet. Enter your first guess. First guess is say A. So A is in the third spot. As you can see here, there is 5 letters to guess from for the word. So I'll do T. T is at the last letter. I'll do L. L is not there. Let's do E. E is there. Let's do W. W is not there. N. N is not there. C. C is not there either. S. S is not there. Let's see. R. R is there. And let's see if an H is there. There you go. So that's the ending of my program. It's very simple, but once you get the last one, you can press enter and try again. And thank you for watching, and I hope to be making many more games as I go through my time at Full Sail University. Alright, thank you.